Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn how to speak everyday Filipino. Our lesson is about saying thanks in Filipino. The word thank or thanks is salamat in Filipino. To say thank you, salamat po. Salamat po with the word po is to say thanks respectfully. Note that in Philippine culture, we add po to speak respectfully. As a child speaks to an adult or if we are talking to the elderly. How do we say thank you to others? To say thanks to you, we say salamat po sa iyo or salamat po sa inyo. What's the difference in these two sentences? The first one, you say salamat po sa iyo when you are giving thanks to one person. The second one, when you say salamat po sa inyo, is to give thanks to more than one person. As a side lesson, let us look at how we say the word you. When we are giving thanks to a person, you is iyo. When we are giving thanks to people, we say inyo. Here is another way to say thank you. To say thank you very much, we say maraming salamat po. The actual translation is many thanks because the word marami is many. Here is another way we say thank you. Thanks very much to you is maraming salamat po sa iyo or maraming salamat po sa inyo. Again, the difference between these two is that sa iyo is when you give thanks to one person and sa inyo is when you give thanks to more than one person. Here are other ways to say thank you. Thank you very, very much is maraming salamat po. In Filipino, we say many thanks. So maraming salamat po. Here is a recap of all the ways we have learned to say thanks. Thank you, salamat po. Thanks to you, salamat po sa iyo if you are thanking one person. Salamat po sa inyo if you are thanking more than one person. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very, very much is maraming salamat po. Let us continue with another way of saying thanks. This is how you say thank you for this. Salamat po para dito. For this is para dito. Here is another way to give thanks in Filipino. Thank you for the gift is salamat po para sa regalo. For the gift is para sa regalo. Gift is regalo. Now, how do we respond to thanks in Filipino? When someone thanks us, we do not have an equivalent to the phrase, "You're welcome." Note that it is perfectly okay to respond in English to say, "You're welcome." Or even a mix of English and Filipino, say, "You're welcome po." Now here are some ways we actually respond in Filipino. It's nothing, walang anuman po. No problem, Walang problema po. It's okay or it's just okay. Okay lang po. Let us look at those helper words that we have just used. The first is nothing, walang anuman. No problem, walang problema. Just is lang. Again, nothing, walang anuman. No problem, walang problema. Just lang. We will talk more about saying thanks in part 2 of this lesson. Meanwhile, here is your homework. Practice saying thank you and responding to it in Filipino. The more you do it, the more you get better with it. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!